Hey, what's up, all my YouTube Pyros out there? Just took a trip to Pahrump, picked up a few cases, got some of those demo day cases on special, and I'm going to show you some of my 2016 stash here. Over here, starting with the Standing Proud assortment. It's a 500 gram cake assortment by World Class. Comes with 4 different cakes here. You got Gratitude, 25 shot. Got Home Sweet Home, 30 shot. You got Really Fired Up, it's a 21 shot. And then you got Green, which is a 30 shot. Over here we got Scream Baby Scream. You got 4 in the case, 58 shots. Highly recommend either one of these right here. Scream Baby Scream or Stop Screaming at Me. If you check out the videos online, either one of these, you'll see they're almost identical. They're similar, if not identical. So check these out. Over here we got Not an Option, another 500 gram cake. This one is 24 shots. Got a demo day special on these. A few cases of these right here. Nice little cake. For the size, you can't go wrong. And see over here, we got Path to Destruction, 36 shots. And this one is it's a pretty good one. Check out the demo on this. Lasts pretty long. The performance is great on it. I recommend this one. Then we got another case special here, the Rave Party, 500 gram cake, 24 shots, and three of these come in the case, the Rave Party. Over here we got a Z Factor, got a few cases of these, nice little zipper cake, 165 shots. It's pretty big, it's heavy. This one is a good little zipper cake. Goes pretty quick, but I mean, the performance is amazing on it, so if you like zipper cakes, can't go wrong with this one. And over here, we're going to check out some more 500 grammers. Demo day special right here, Seek and Destroy. 2 in the case with these. 8 shots. And over here we got Supercharged. That one's a 30 shot. 2 in the case on that one. And over here we got Total Action, 36 shots. 2 in the case. And if any of you guys have a video or links, nor I could find a video of this, comment, let me know. Been looking for this one. Can't find any videos on this online, but I'd like to see what this one does right here. And over here we got Legendary Storm, another nice 500 grammer. And this one is 60 shots. This one is nice. It's like it's almost like a zipper cake also. And you get 2 in a case. Another demo day special I got right here. Highly recommend this one, Legendary Storm. And then we got Vida Loca, another case special. 4 in a case. For all you pyros out there living La Vida Loca, you might want to check this one out. It's 9 shots. Yep. Over here we got another case special, She's packing heat. Little 200-gram cake, 25 shots, 12 in a case on this one. And that was most of the case specials that I got. Got some other little 200 grammers over here that I just been sitting on. Some little one-offs and whatnot. Got some assortments over here. Some of the stuff for the kids. They like to watch us blow up some of these assortment little packages here. Over here we got Sugar Shack. It's a nice little 500 grammer. I believe that one is 28 shots. Pretty quick, but the performance is nice on this one, Sugar Shack. Another one, Brothers Scofflaw, 16 shots. It's a nice little one for Brothers. I think I got like 1 or 2 of those left. Then we got our canister shells over here. Excaliburs. Got some HD shells from a few years ago that I found in my garage, and some exterminators. Some Diablo shells. These are all pretty nice. I usually just stick with the Excaliburs. Then we got these Hitman salutes. These are pretty legit. Yeah, see, this is definitely what you will not get out of these. These are just basically a salute. They say they're 1.4 G. I don't know. They might be, but they sure as hell don't sound like it. They sound a lot louder. Yeah, if you could get these, I recommend these. These Hitmans. And then that's pretty much it. Got this rolling in the dough right here. Got 2 packs of some shells right here. Some other little smaller cakes and novelties and fountains, kid stuff. Yeah, most of these assortments, they have a lot of the same stuff, similar stuff. You know, a little bit of novelties, fountains, little small cakes, and your shells. We got the number 5 from World Class. It's like a single shell right there. The Mars Attacks assortment, All American Blockbuster. So yeah, this is about it for me. Hope you guys like my video. Subscribe, leave some comments, let me know what's up, and see you guys on the next episode.